just a little bit of party. I heard you was down, so I got a gift from B-Dup.
Come on now, I can't do that.
Come on, sweet, come on. Make sure you enjoy this. This is a rich man's high. All the players are doing it. I know you're gonna enjoy this. It takes the pain away.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, what the hell you doing?
Shit. Man, everything is KKK. Man, I just want to see what's so good.
What's wrong with you, man?
Man, this shit already destroyed the whole hood. I might as well let it destroy me, too.
Man, you don't need that shit, sweet.
What do you know about this? This is what it boils down to now.
Come on, sweet, soak the smoke.
Hey, man, that shit steal your heart. You can't see that? This bitch talk nice to you and this what you do?
Fuck.
You're gonna have to deal with B-Dup.
What? Beat up? We can handle that shit right
Get
now,
your hands
then.
off
Get your
me.
ass out of here. Bitch.
I'll let that go.
You got scratched. What were you thinking back there, bruh?
I'm tired, man. I'm real tired. Tired of putting in the work and still shit don't get better.
Cool, baby, cool.
Tired of seeing my family fall apart.
Sweet, man, you got more heart than that. Sure, things are screwed up now, but we finna turn a corner, man. The day is coming when the Johnson family will be at the top, and it's coming real soon.
I hear you, CJ. You're there for us. I know that.
Hey, beat up! Open up!
Beat up!
Hey, open the door, punk!
Fool!
Yo, Dup ain't here. Moved out a while back.
Where'd he go,
Yo,
dickhead?
yo, you messing up the cat's colors,
Speak
dude.
up, fool.
Yo, I got some, a little something, just what you
And I don't
need.
want none of that shit.
No,
I'll
no,
split your
no.
wig right
Hey,
now.
no, you tripping, man. Come on, put the gun down. He a base head, man.
Shit, he wearing family colors. That's supposed to make him somebody.
Look, fool, tell us where B-Dup is, and we out of here.
He live over on Glen Parkaway. His boy always there. Give a cat what he needs.
You lucky. Oh, man, Glen Park.
Heart of Kilo Trey's country.
Fuck it, I'm down. And that fool had it coming too long. We'll take the whole neighborhood apart.
Yeah, let's roll.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hit those ballers hard.
Johnson boys rolling through. You want some legs? Hey, give me that paper. Hey, come on, man. I thought we was bang. Huh? What was you saying? You wait around.
You in my space.
Come on, man. Keep up. Them my ducats now. Hey, I'll have that now. Hey, over here, come on, keep up. This all you giving me?
Okay, the neighborhood's sold up now.
No sign of B-Dup though, dawg.
Check the place over there.
It's burnt all down one side.
CJ, keep them ringing.
Come on, man, keep up.
Head to a 1037 in North Glen Park. Suspect last seen on foot.
Hey, dude, keep up.
Cover me, CJ.
Hey, come on, man, I thought we was back. Hey, over here, come on, keep up.
This is the LSPD. Stop!
Got you now, asshole. Okay, well, let's have it.
Cover me, cover me.
Come on, man, keep up.
Say something.
Hey, nah, I ain't had no choice. I was threatened. Shit came from the boss, homie.
Pop this motherfucker, man. I'm tired of hearing this bullshit.
Nah, man, I'm sorry, dog.
Huh?
Smoke's fucking crazy. He paranoid. Just sit in the house thinking other fools want his business.
Where's Smoke?
I can't tell you
Then
that.
I'll snatch your fucking tongue out.
I ain't saying nothing, homie, because I don't know. Only his lieutenants know where he at.
I'd have wet your shirt anyway.
Bear! Hey, Bear, get the fuck out here.
What's up, your lordship?
Kill these motherfuckers, and I'll give you a whole quarter sack. Now handle that. Shoot him. The fuck is wrong with you? You ain't hear what the fuck I said?
I'm tired
Bear,
of
what the
smoking.
fuck you doing?
I'm tired
Come
of
on,
praying,
man.
And I'm tired of doing your fucking housework.
Oh, shit.
I'm free!
Man, what the fuck you do that for, man?
CJ, man, come on, put me back on the team. Give me 20 bucks and I'm all yours, man. Blast from the past.
Hey, let's take a ride, homie. I'ma shoot you somewhere you gonna enjoy.
I got Bear's back, man.
All right, I'll see you in a minute, Bear.
Where we going, sweet?
Someplace we can get old Bear back.
All right, I'm down for that.
Look my way, Yank.
This ain't my usual mode of business. What's up?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore, nice to hear from you too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead. Your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash, so if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
Not enough horny men around.
Warm it up, Kane. Warm it up, CJ. Warm it up, Kane.
I got something soft for that hard body.
Leave me alone, lady.
I might be a hooker, but I got feelings too. I mess with women too, but it's strictly business.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?